Right. Oh, well, hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing an oxalic treatment on the old hive here. This is a 1-to-1 sugar rinse with a 3% oxalic acid mixed into it. We're basically going to take the top off. The bees are on sugar candy at the moment. We're just going to move that off, and we're going to use the old syringe here, 5ml per seam, maximum 35ml in a hive. So we'll see how it goes. Just keep an eye on it, and hopefully it comes out well. I'll get the bees a bit of smoke. Give that a second. Now obviously the bees are not going to be too happy having their hive opened up. Just give a little bit of smoke to calm them down. Yeah, that's okay, that's good. I mean, we put this candy on 4 days ago because there was a bit light on food. So I'll give them the treatment and they can have the candy back. So they're only basically looking at about 5ml per seam. It's only a rough estimate. And that should have got most of them done. Give them back their candy, and on that we only actually use 15ml. We could give them a little bit more. That's it. And we've still got 50ml left, so that's good. So basically we can close them back up now. They'll carry on eating their sugar candy. Obviously I've got a clearer board here so they can't come back up. This is just used as a spacer. So, that's it. That's the first one done. Simple as that. Only takes a couple of minutes. I mean, you open the hive, I mean, it's January the 4th today. It's quite a nice sunny day really. And I've got another 20 of these to do, so I'll see you later. Bye then. 20 of these to do.